What happened?
I don't know, she just stalled out. I might have ran out of gas.
It's been a while. You're about to.
Oh, we got gas. Give me a look.
It's from the impact on the landing. Yeah, because neither tire have a puncture on them.
Yeah, you want the dry shaft, the transfer, both dry shafts and transfer case.
Vent.
Oh!
Oh, look at it!
You can see the sway in it. Big time.
Yeah, she bent, son.
This is gonna be the death of the Jeep. Yeah, you're off of it. This is the actual Tannerite. This stuff, and then you have to mix this powder with it and like make sure it's all like gray. The white has to turn gray.
20 pounds of Tannerite, and we put them in the black Jeep that just won't die.
We got the Jeep with the Tannerite on it. This is the same Jeep that we've launched off cliff, the berms, the rocks, just lots of things. Let's jump.
That sitting next to each other will explode, right? What do you mean probably not? It's a lot of force. Alright boys, get the fuck out of there. We're gonna hit the big boom.
The big boom.
The big boom.
Dude, that Jeep's done.
The tree cam? The tree cam fell.
Tree cam fell. Other camera fell.
Dude! They all.
Dude!
Oh, that one got buried.
But it's still alive.
Hell yeah.
That didn't do nearly as much as that. We needed it further back. Oh, it pushed it back.
Yeah.
Look at the inside. Can we see it?
It pushed it back like 2.5 feet.
Took the whole front off, or was it gone?
No.
It wasn't like that.
It still had a radiator, everything. It still had The whole impact bar was still around the front.
It blew in the freaking.
Where'd the radiator go?
So what'd you think?
That was pretty sick. Oh, that is the oil filter. That's the oil filter.
Unreal. Where's the radiator?
It shoved the motor back for sure. What's that axle look like?
Obliterated, dude. It looks like it's bent up now. Before it was bent drooping down, now it's bent up.
Oh, did the tire come up?
Yeah.
So it must have blew it off the ground.
Oh yeah.
Well, if you look at the back tires, it pushed it back like 3 feet.
Oh yeah.
Because this was the hole we dug right here. And the motor was right over this spot.
Intake has some holes
Look,
in it.
brand new.
It's
I
not
think the
starting.
cops
Look
will
what
show up.
look what it did to each valve cover.
Well, that's a wrap, boys.
Just another day in paradise.
Have you ever put that much money up in smoke so fast?
How much was that Tannerite?
100.
Yeah,
yeah.
I went and bought a $500 GoPro just for the sticky mount once.